Okay, hello everyone, welcome. Today I want to install WSL2, and WSL2 stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Basically, you can have Linux kernel on your Windows 10 without using any virtualization technologies like VMware or VirtualBox. And I want to document how my installation process goes because there are problems with installing WSL2 and also VirtualBox. So from time to time, I will try to capture key stages that make sure that you are able to use WSL2 and also VirtualBox together. This is a fresh Windows 10 installation. It's a new Windows. I do not have anything installed yet. So hopefully you can learn something, and hopefully I can share my problems and troubleshooting. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm basically first you need to check your Windows version. So to do this, just type on your keyboard the Windows key and letter O. Hit it. You're gonna get this one, okay? And just type Win WINVEO. Okay, and this is your version. Okay. So according to the Microsoft website, they encourage you to make sure that your Windows version is beyond or higher than version 1903. Okay, 903. And my version is way higher, so I think I can do it. Another thing is you have to run PowerShell as administrator. Okay, so this is PowerShell. I already run it as administrator here. Okay, and next I want you to go to this website. Okay, and copy and paste this command. Okay, everyone. Yeah. Go this way. I will share the links with you. Yeah, later. But when you get to that website, I want you to copy this command and paste it to PowerShell. Okay, and also scroll down a bit and also copy this command as well. Okay, and this will make you be able to run WSL command. Okay, yeah, you can see before when I type WSL command, it didn't work. Okay, but now by copy and paste and run these two commands, it works. Okay. Okay, next I go to this website and then I want to try this command. Hopefully it works. Okay, so I need to have that. Okay, so maybe I need to install this one. I think I already have that installed. Let me find it and install it, maybe. Let me find it. Okay, so download it, update it. Okay, finish. And then this one maybe. Try again. Okay. And then install it. Even to see it. Let's try to install it, okay? Oh, it's amazing. I don't know whether it works or not. Hopefully it works, huh? It's gonna take some time, I usually have this problem, Yeah, no matter how I try to refresh it, it wouldn't work. Let's see, it works now. Okay, so I need to find another way to install it. Okay, so let me close it. And okay, so if you keep scrolling down, you're gonna get to this page. I'm gonna manually download it. Okay, and hopefully it works. That's it. Yeah, so 5 minutes. See you in around 5 minutes, everyone. It's almost complete, everyone. Once complete, you need to run this command. Okay, you need to go to that folder. Okay, you need to just open it, and then create it. Okay, just want to rename it just Ubuntu. Okay, so I need to copy address and then go to Hopefully it works out now. It's very silly. Oh, it's what this command. Oh, it worked. Okay. And then I need to go back to the website. Maybe this one, right? Yeah. Okay. That's it. Type. Oh yeah, one. You can choose printer. Okay, it's installing. I think maybe we can just double click it and launch it. Okay, so it will install Ubuntu. Okay, so I think installation completed. Now it's asking us for username. So let's just follow this best practice. I just click open this one. Okay. So username, password to separate these links that you install now. Okay, so I will put it Ubuntu. Password is this one, and this is my password. Okay, and name. So let me just try to close it, and let's get back to PowerShell. This one, I just hit WSL2. Yeah, I'm in. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so which means now let's get to this. What I can do is to install this one, install Windows Terminal. So Windows Terminal is quite important actually, everyone. Let me try to install it. This one, you can use it in many ways. Oh no, I need to download it from there again. Maybe this one, it's it up here. Let's try this one, okay? When it finishes, let's hope that it works. Put our fingers crossed, everyone. Okay, let's install. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's quite big actually. I'm trying to shrink it down a little bit. Okay, I think it's worked, everyone. It's PowerShell. Can go to Ubuntu here. Maybe let's see. Yeah, I'm in, man. Okay. Fantastic. I think I'm already installed. Okay, so this is WSL2. I think that's it, everyone. I finished my installation. This is for WSL2. Next, I will try to install VirtualBox together as well, okay? On the same machine here. See you next time, everyone. Goodbye. Okay, everyone. Welcome back. So today I'm trying to install VirtualBox on my Windows 10 version. And basically, to get WSL2 and VirtualBox working together, make sure that you have a Windows 10 the latest version. And then for VirtualBox, you have to use this version, everyone. Otherwise, you're gonna have some problem, okay? So for Windows, the VirtualBox that you should use is 6.1.26. If you install the latest version above 6.1.26, it doesn't work because I already tried it, so I have to downgrade VirtualBox to 6.1.26, something like that, okay? And you can see it's working. This is my WSL2, and this is my installation of Ubuntu. So usually you have this, and make sure that you enable this feature as well. Okay, sorry. Let me turn on, share you my Windows. Okay, make sure you check this one. Yeah, hypervisors 3. What else? Virtual machine platform. Check it. Windows hypervisor platform. Check it as well. And Windows subsystem for Linux. Check it as well. Okay. If anyone did not get checked, make sure you check all of them. Click OK and restart your computer. Then it will work. Okay. I hope I keep recording and sharing this with you, and hopefully you can get it to work. Okay? Make sure the Windows and the VirtualBox 6.1.26 work together. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so Ubuntu is installing right now. You can see a few more minutes to go. Okay, so it's starting now. Let's see. I think I've just finished installing Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Okay, it's work, everyone. Not bad, right? Everything is fantastic. Yeah. Okay, I think it's nice. Okay, done. Here we go, everyone. I think I need to install this one as well. Maybe insert guess to make sure that I can resize the windows. Okay, so basically I have WSL2 Windows subsystem for Linux working, and also Ubuntu VirtualBox here, you can see. Okay, so I think I have you guys try to figure out how to install both software on the same Windows stand. Okay, anyway, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye.